Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share the second half of my fall morning routine with you. If you missed part one, make sure you go check it out. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button because I have brand new videos for you every single week. I loved reading all your comments and seeing how much you guys appreciated the details in part one of this video. So the first thing I do after I finish planning my morning is I go in and make the bed. Since Ryan got up later than me, obviously I'm not going to make it with him in it, and he'll try to make the bed, which I appreciate, but it's not quite the same. Like, it actually makes me happy to make the bed because I just feel like when my space is organized and tidy, I feel more clear-headed and more organized as well. So I'll spray a little like essential oil mist as I make it just to keep it nice and fresh, fluff the pillows, and it just looks so pretty and cozy. So when I go to bed, I'm ready to jump right in. A lot of you have been asking about my eyebrows, so I actually got them laminated, which is where it softens it, so you can actually move the brow however you want. So sometimes they look a little extra fluffy, but I'm liking them right now. That is all my Poshmarking that I need to deal with at some point. Some of it's already on Poshmark. I'll link down below for you guys, and I have a ton of stuff I need to put back on there. But this is kind of my fitness closet. I haven't shown this to you guys in a while. I've been trying to figure out how to reorganize it. I've gotten rid of so much stuff. Again, like a lot of it's going on Poshmark, but I have all my leggings, all my workout shoes, anything I use either for just like around the house or work or actually working out will go in here. So I'm going to change for my workout for the day. I don't know why it's hard to pick out an outfit when I'm working out by myself at home, but I still want to feel cute. I feel like it helps motivate me more when I feel like I have a good outfit on. So gonna throw on my sneakers, and then this bra is like decently supportive. It's not a super supportive one, but I'm not gonna really be doing any jumping, so I figured I could do one that was a little bit more of like medium impact protection. And then I'll pull up my app workout just to always kind of get like a peek at what I have going on for the day. Right now we're doing a challenge as well, so I'm have like my bonus move as part of that. So just mentally preparing what I'm about to get myself into, which I know today is going to be a tough one, but obviously like I got my fuel this morning, and that's really the key for me. If I know I'm going to be pushing myself extra hard, that's when I'll eat like a full breakfast prior to working out. If I'm just doing like light cardio or something, then I usually will do that fasted if I'm working out in the morning. So I'm using the heavy resistance booty band. It adds so much resistance, but it really helps me activate my glutes more so that instead of just focusing on my quads, I actually am really working into my glute muscles on my booty. But this is a full body workout from the app, so I'm doing it all. And having it on my thighs like during different exercises, even when I don't need it, one is just like one less thing to think about, but two, it also continues to make my body activate, so I'm working all of those muscles all the time. Obviously, I don't keep it on for everything. It would not make sense here. These are really great to get deep into those glute muscles, into your quads, abductors, but also into your abs, which is nice. And then this is the heavy resistance tube band. And oh my gosh, it is hard to do those bicep curls and kickouts for sure. I feel like my star jump looked a little weak today, but I go through my whole workout. It usually takes about 30 minutes. And it just depends on how heavy of weights I'm using or how heavy the resistance is. If I'm trying to really challenge myself with like 2 25-pound weights, I'm gonna move a lot slower. So today is one of those days I'm using more moderate, medium weights so I can move a bit faster, which allows me to finish it in around 30 minutes. And then I always take time to stretch. I've been focusing on this even more lately because I feel like when you don't take time to stretch right after your workout, you end up so much more sore. And I've like found myself feeling like I can't even sit half the time because I'm so sore. And I know it's because I didn't really like slow down to truly stretch and foam roll after my workouts. So I'll usually try to spend about 10 to 15 minutes at least immediately while my body's still really warm. And oh my gosh, did you guys see that sweat level? It's so ridiculous. I'm such a bad sweater. I actually tried getting Botox one time, like down there and in my inner thighs to help with my excessive sweating because it happens like even when I'm not working out, you guys. But it just like my body burns through it so fast, it's not worth it. Okay, so after my workout, I always do my Love Sweat Fitness plant protein. I'm going to put a little Miss Congeniality mood boost in it. So it's 20 grams of protein in the plant protein. And I'll make this really yummy smoothie so that I get like all of that post-workout fuel. For me, it's really important to try to get this in within like 30 minutes of finishing my workout. So if I spend about 15 minutes stretching, then I still have plenty of time to make my smoothie. So sometimes I'll just put it in water, but this is like such a good secret combo I found. Oh my gosh, those oats from Trader Joe's, the pumpkin ones, they actually have kind of like a lot of sugar. I would never just eat them by themselves, but putting a little bit in the smoothie post-workout was amazing. And your body's going to use those sugars, especially after a workout, to replenish your glycogen. Again, really, really important. Carbs are not the enemy. Sugar in excess, anything in excess is, but just the right amount today. And Ryan and the entire team actually went on a huge shoot this day when I was staying home filming my routine for you guys. And it was so hard for me to not be there. I am at every shoot. I'm a part of everything we do, but they didn't need me, so the team just went, but he was sending me photos, and it was so cool to see all of the stuff come to life for our holiday shoot. And then we actually have a new product launching in a couple of weeks that you guys are gonna die when you see it. So fun. And then I realized we had an ant problem. Like, I went into the cabinets to get, I don't even remember what, and there was just ants freaking everywhere. This was not planned as part of my morning, but you just have to deal with things as they come sometimes. So that stunk, but I handled it. It was not fun. Ryan will tell you, I freak out with the ants. I know they're just little, but just like in my kitchen, I can't handle it. So after that, I'll go take my shower. So I'm trying to preserve my hair like one more day. I usually only wash it about once a week. And for me, that works. My hair doesn't really get oily until maybe like, I don't know, day 6, 5 or 6, depending on what I'm doing, but even with working out. So I'll put it up in this bun, and then I'll usually just wash around the edge of my hair, like just rinse it with water. And that helps for sure. Again, since it doesn't get like super, super oily, but I'll show you guys what I do with my hair like post-workout to actually like make it look decent so that it can handle another extra day when I don't want to have to wash it yet. After I shower, I start my full skincare routine. So I usually will put on a mist, like either a toner or some type of mist, give those brows another little brush. And then I put on moisturizer all over my body. First thing out of the shower when my body can still like absorb it better. I'll brush my teeth. Sometimes I do this earlier in the morning too. But since I was like eating and drinking coffee and doing all the things, I figured I might as well just wait until I was ready to go. And then I've been using this Tula moisturizer, like 24-hour protection for my face as like the baseline. And that's pretty like the basic, simple routine I do for my skin in the morning. And then I'll change into my like just daytime activewear set. This was actually on Amazon, you guys. It's one of my favorite outfits. It was only like $30 for the entire set. Once I am changed and showered, then I'll head into my office to work on my skincare and my hair, and like really doing like my full makeup and everything. These carts were so organized for a minute and now they're not. I also used to have a chair. So I finally for like a month was sitting at my desk doing my makeup, which felt very mature of me. But I had to take the chair back to the office because we hired more people and we didn't have enough chairs. So I'll have to get one for here. But then I'll put a little dry shampoo in my hair and then start to blow dry just the base. Because remember I said when I wash it, when I didn't wash it, but when I'm in the shower, I just get it wet around the edges. So then I'll put the dry shampoo and then blow dry it so it's dry everywhere. Then I'll add a little oil to the ends and like kind of go work my way up to the top. And again, this is when you're like, ooh, I probably should wash my hair, but I'm going to try to get one more day out of it. And then I just do this little fishtail braid. It takes 5 minutes. I learned how to do it like 2 years ago, maybe 3 now, but it's the only braid besides the normal one I know how to do decently. So I'll do that super fast and then just put in some bobby pins to help hold any of the extra hair that likes to go crazy. And then I'll put the headband on while I go in to do my actual makeup. So this is an SPF primer. So it's a moisturizer and a primer for my makeup, which is really nice. I get both in one. And then I'll just go in with a little foundation kind of all around my skin. And this is more of like an SPF BB cream foundation. Some concealer under my eye and then up on my eyelid. And that's really like the main stuff I do for like the base of my face. Then I'll go in with an eyeshadow, just kind of a plain color, and then usually use my bronzer unless I'm trying to do like serious makeup, but otherwise I'll just use my bronzer and go and give my eyes like a little bit of color. I use this little, it's like a wand that has, I don't want to say paste, I don't know what it is, to help keep your eyebrows in place, you know what I mean? And then I'll take my bronzer and go all over my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, a little blush on the apples of my cheeks, and that is it. I mean mascara, but that's it after that. Pretty simple, basic, everyday makeup. It honestly takes me 5 minutes. My hair takes me 5, so like in 10 minutes I can have my hair and makeup done. And that is the kind of day I love. Today I'm also starting to work on some new recipes for the holiday survival guide. So I've been developing these for a while, and today I finally am gonna get time to actually build them out and try to make them look pretty for you guys so I can shoot some of them. I think I'm doing 10 new ones, so I'm only gonna be able to get a few done today, but it's a start at least. I can't even believe we're talking about holidays already, but I mean, it is a fall morning routine, I guess. It makes sense. You guys can see all the goodness that's going in here. Chocolate, nuts, there's coconut milk, coconut oil. I'm gonna have a few for myself, because why not? And now it's time to get into it. I hope you guys love seeing the second half of my fall morning routine. Drop a comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Love you guys, see you next time.